Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Stroud here. It is Monday, April 20th, 2020. It's a little gray outside this morning. It's pretty early. It's about 7:30, but I see the sun coming up over the hill, so it's going to be a beautiful day today. Today we have our phonics page. It's page 117, and we're working with suffixes. Suffixes are endings on words. We have FUL, which says full, Y, which says E at the end of a word, OUS, us, LY, lee, ER. So all of these words down here end with these suffixes. So let's take a look. It says read each sentence, choose the missing word from the box, write the word, and then reread the complete sentence. And as always, I tell you, you have to reread your sentence to make sure it makes sense. Okay, so let's take a look at our words today. Our first word here is spoonful. So it's a spoonful. We all know what a spoon is, and it's full. Okay, we have a runner. It's a person who runs. Nervous. It's how we feel. It's our nerves. They make us a little jumpy, right? Graceful. When you're graceful, it means you're elegant or you're moving very nicely. Okay. Next is messy. And we all know what messy is. Sometimes I can have my desk be very messy when there's too many papers on it. Closely means to follow very near to someone. Bravely. That means that we are extremely sure of ourselves. Okay, we do something bravely. Joyous means we're super happy. Gardener, that's what I am. In the summertime, I like to work in my garden and plant flowers. That makes me a gardener sometimes. And windy, that's when the wind blows too much. Okay, we know that word. All right, let's get started. We have number one. On a blank day, I have to hold on to my hat. So if I'm outside on this kind of day, I might lose my hat. What kind of day is it? Is it spoonful, runner, nervous, graceful, messy, closely, bravely, joyous, gardener, or windy? What kind of day is it? If you said windy, you were absolutely right. There's your first one. I always give you that first one, right? Okay, number two. The first blank of soup is the hottest. Okay, so think about soup. How do we eat it? Let's take a look. Spoonful, runner, nervous, graceful, messy, closely, bravely, joyous, gardener, windy. Okay, pick your best response and make sure you reread that sentence and it makes sense. Alrighty, number three. The blank dancer leaped across the stage. Okay, if you're a dancer, let's think about how you would be. Spoonful, runner, nervous, graceful, messy, closely, bravely, joyous, gardener, windy. Okay, if you're not sure of that one, remember I always tell you, go through the rest and see what's left over and see if it makes sense. Okay, number four. Damien blank walked across the swinging bridge. Now let's think about him. He's ready to walk across a bridge and it's swinging. So it's probably not going to be easy to walk across. So how does Damien have to feel? Spoonful, runner, nervous, graceful, messy, closely, bravely, joyous, gardener, windy. Okay, number five. The blank planted flowers that would attract bees and butterflies. I almost gave you this one, right? Because I told you I like to do this in the summer. Let's take a look. Spoonful, runner, nervous, graceful, messy, closely, bravely, joyous, gardener, windy. Who would plant flowers? Okay, number six. The lamb followed blank behind its mother so it wouldn't get lost. So how would a little lamb follow its mother lamb? Whoops, sorry. Spoonful, runner, nervous, graceful, messy, closely, bravely, joyous, gardener, windy. Okay, here we go. Here's something I have. My blank dog spilled her food and tracked mud across the floor. So, if my dog spilled her food and tracked mud, what kind of dog is she? Is she spoonful, runner, nervous, graceful, messy, closely, bravely, joyous, gardener, windy? All right, here we go. Number eight. It was a blank occasion at my house when I brought home a good report card. How would everyone feel at my house when I brought home a good report card? I know how I would feel. Are we ready? Spoonful, runner, nervous, graceful, messy, closely, bravely, joyous, gardener, windy. Alrighty, number nine. Do you feel blank about singing the solo in the play? Now, when you sing a solo, you sing all by yourself, okay? You're in a play, so you're in front of a bunch of people. So how would you feel if you were singing by yourself in front of a bunch of people? Let's look. Spoonful, runner, nervous, graceful, messy, closely, bravely, joyous, gardener, windy. And finally, number 10. When the blank crossed the finish line, she held her hands over her head in celebration. Okay, so somebody's crossing a finish line. Wonder what they're doing. Let's take a look. Spoonful, runner, nervous, graceful, messy, closely, bravely, joyous, gardener, windy. Alrighty, boys and girls, that's your phonics page for today, April 20th, 2020. Oh, the sun's getting brighter already, even with me just reading this paper. So get some of your work done, go out and play for a while, try to get some more done, and have a wonderful day. And as always, I miss you guys. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye.